about the functions. Let's read about the functions. Okay, so that both camps will be, interested with. I'm seeing there's a lack of interest now going on because of revisions. We have to read this, but we will read it again. You guys will also just have a look. This main is a function, right? We can have our own functions. We can have what? A function is just a block of code which are named. It's a named block of code. Previously I said like this. I said this is also a block, right? Is it? If I write here int a, I can also write here int a. I can reuse the a value because this a value is local to this block. But I now want to name this block so that I can call it from anywhere. Okay? A functionality, a group of code which you can call from anywhere is called a function. Getting? If it is a name, it does some job for us. For example, it adds two numbers. Okay? It adds two numbers. So therefore, I have to call it with its name when I need it. But if this is a block, I can't call it because it is anonymous. It doesn't have any name. Right? If it doesn't have any name, I can't call it. But tomorrow, I now want a function, our own function, like this main is a function, right? Which is having some parts. A function has some parts. Number one is dependencies. Inside, we write what we pass to that function. Okay, inputs. And this is what we have to return from a function. Okay, function returns something to us. Okay, what is being returned from a function is what we write here. It is data type, and what you return is to be written here. And remember, you can return only one thing at a time, not two things. You can pass as many as you like to a function, okay, but you can return only one thing. That is the last, that should be the last statement of a function. And what kind of, नहीं दिख रहा? थोड़ा सा यहाँ करो इसको. वालेकुम अस्सलाम. आ रहा है? So what I am saying is that we have a function, okay? What you write in the parentheses is the arguments. We call them arguments. We call them what? Arguments. Or we call them parameters. जिसके अंदर है उसको हम argument बोलते हैं या क्या बोलते हैं? Parameter. So let's do it like this. So we have, for example, I am saying main or any function. Whatever you write in a parentheses. For example, I write int a or float b. Float is a data type, right? Remember you, Vijaya. Not Vijaya. What? Rueda. अरे Vijaya क्यों मुझे दिमाग में घुस गया? Float, you know float? Float takes a points, right? If you have 4.6, you can store it in this. Int takes only 4. Getting? So float is a floating point which has the points. Okay? For the real numbers, you have float. We will see other guys also, which is here. So I'm saying if you write something here, if you write something here in the parentheses, these are called the arguments. They're called what? Arguments. Or you call them as parameters. Parameters or arguments. Then you have to write within the braces whatever you want to write in this function, whatever you want to write, whatever functionality this function has, right? And at the end you return something. If I return, for example, a, which is a character, which is what? So I have to write here char, char. Char is the character. If you want to represent characters, then the char is data type. The char is the, for integers we have int, for floating points we have float, and for character we have char. Later on we will go more on that. Okay, we will see that. Now I want my own function. I want my own function. Say for example I have the add function. I have what? So obviously I will pass, if I pass is something, that will be written here. That is what we pass to the function. If you return something from it, we have to write it here as a data type. And where you will return? At the end. Last statement is the return statement. This is only the data type कि क्या वो character था, float था, double था, क्या था, integer था. ठीक है, बात समझ आ रही है? Right? And you are giving a name to this function. Actually you are giving name to this block of code called add. Now you can call it from anywhere. You can call it from what? So first thing is, I do not pass any arguments to the add function, and I can write this add function above the main, below the main, inside the main, wherever you like. Wherever you like. Let me write it first below, above the main. Okay, I'm writing my add function, but before I write the function, I have to say what is the data type it returns. What should be the first thing? Function name जो है ना add, इससे left क्या होगा? What data type it returns. मुझे कुछ रिटर्न नहीं करना तो ऐसे void. मुझे रिटर्न कुछ नहीं करना तो ऐसे what? And in the parents I am not passing anything. I am not passing. So this is a function which returns nothing, where we pass nothing. Okay? So that means if I want to add two numbers, I have to get it itself inside the add function. I will printf. Okay? Enter first number. Enter. If I ask Ruveda, I am asking you enter the first number. That means I have to catch it. I have to copy it. But where, in which I will copy? I have to first create the containers. इसमें मैं ये डालूंगा. So I haven't created containers, so I should create containers here. So I'm saying int num1 comma num2. मैंने दो variables खड़े किए. num1 num2 of type integers. 4 bytes को दिए जाएंगे. So containers are now, we have containers. I can drop it into the num1, I can drop it into the num2, then I can add and I can do anything. And maybe also I have here the sum. What? So enter first, I'm asking enter the first number, or I'm saying scanf. Here I will say \n, and I say scanf. How I get it? Using the scanf function. I get it by the scanf function. Scanf, because this number is of type what? Integer. So I should say what? Percentage, double quote close, comma, सिर्फ ये बताएगी, not Ruveda. क्या लिखूंगा यहाँ पे? Because it's a placeholder, मुझे डालना है num1 में, है ना? कैसे को डालना? At the address of num1. How I write that? Ampersand. Ampersand. A-M-P-E-R-S-A-N-D. Ampersand num1. Means drop it into the address of the num1. You have to write a program, then you will become confident. If you don't write on a copy, this is nothing. This is all Gota. You will do nothing then. Because on the computer you will have some errors. You will think what is there, and then you will learn. By that you will learn. By errors you will learn. So enter first number. I'm saying enter the first number, and I'm dropping it into the num1, ampersand num1. Okay. So similarly, I say, because I'm not passing anything to the function, so I have to get the numbers there. So I'm saying enter second number. So what is FIFA? How I do it? Percentage D, ampersand. Now drop it into the num2. Num1. So I'm getting two numbers, num1 and num2. Now I have to add. I will say sum is equal to num1 plus num2. Okay, and don't forget the terminator. Right, at the end terminator is important, right? So I'm saying this sum is again a container. Sum is again what? It is nothing, it is but a container. उसमें मैं डालूंगा जो num1 में है उसको add करूंगा. This plus will do addition of what is in num1 and what is in num2. num1 itself is a container variable, num2 itself is a container. लेकिन मैंने कीबोर्ड से जो पहला नंबर लिया वो num में डाला, कीबोर्ड दूसरा नंबर लिया वो num2 में डाला. इन दोनों को प्लस ऐड करेगा और जो निकलेगा सम वो सम में डालेगा. Sum is also a container. Now sum will have the sum of num1 and num2, and I don't want to return because I said void, so I have to print it here only, right? So I will print it. I will say printf the sum of percentage d and percentage d is equal to percentage d double close comma. Now Musa will tell me what will write double close comma after this percentage d की जगह क्या लिखूँ यहाँ पे num1, दूसरे percentage d की जगह रुबैदा, तीसरे percentage d की जगह इस percentage d की जगह क्या लिखूँगा sum. वेरी गुड. यस, ये num1 यहाँ पे प्रिंट होगा जो num1 में था, num2 यहाँ पे प्रिंट होगा और सम यहाँ पे प्रिंट होगा. परसेंटेज डी इज द प्लेस होल्डर जो इसकी जगह ही प्रिंट करने है ना. अनलेस सबूर यू डोंट डू दिस प्रोग्राम ऑन अ कंप्यूटर, nobody can help you learning programming. You getting me? Okay. So ये num1 कहाँ लिया था हमने, यहाँ पे. num1 क्या है, ये integer variable है and we drop it into the what we get the from the user, the first number. You do with the scanf gets things from the keyboard and scanf again here gets things from keyboard and drop it into the num2. What is this ampersand saying? Address, at the address of num2, drop it into the num2. Okay, and we had also say कि इसका data type क्या था, percentage d. Then हमने sum किया, sum is num1 plus num2, we added the 2 and drop it into the sum and we printed that कि percentage d num1 और num2 का add करके क्या आया था. This will come as it is. सिर्फ percentage d की जगह ये values आएंगे, इनके values आएंगे, बाकी यही आएगा is equal ऐसे ही and ऐसे ही sum of ऐसे ही. लेकिन इस percentage d की जगह ये print होगा num1, इस percentage d की num2 और इसकी जगह sum. ये num1 क्या है, ये क्या है, इंटीजर वेरिएबल है, इसका वैल्यू हमने कहाँ लिया, यहाँ पर ऊपर num2 का यहाँ पर, और यहाँ सम में क्या डाला, ऐड करके, हाँ ऐड करके वो सम में होगा एंड सम इज प्रिंटेड हियर. सो नाउ आई हैव टू कॉल दिस फंक्शन. द फंक्शन डेफिनेशन होगी, दिस इज द फंक्शन डेफिनेशन. व्हाट, और मैं मेन से पहले लिख रहा हूँ, ये ध्यान रखना है, मैं मेन से क्या रख रहा हूँ पहले. तो दिस इज द फंक्शन डेफिनेशन एंड द फंक्शन इज सच that I am returning nothing, I am passing nothing. If you don't write here, you can write here void, no problem, you can write here void. If you don't write void, it is a void by default. But if you don't write void here, it is an int by default. It is what? If you don't write here, it is int. अगर मैं ये नहीं लिखूंगा, ये int है, फिर by default ये int होता है. If you don't want to return anything, you have to say it's a void. And if you don't write here anything, it is by default void. You write it void or not write it void, it's okay, right? Because it's by default, or you may write it void, add void, your choice. Now I have to call it, and I can call it from anywhere you like, right? So for example, I call it in the main, and nothing here. I'm only calling the add function. In the main, I'm calling the add function. When you call, don't write the return type and all that. Only function name and the arguments, and there are no arguments, right? And I'm saying add. I'm calling this add function. Now control will go to the main first. Okay, it will go to the add, and add will see I'm a call to the add function. It will jump to this add function and start doing this. If I call it, it's running. Getting? It's calling. Enter the first number. I'm saying हमेशा main पहले होता है. हमेशा control go first to the main. After the main, wherever you take it, but first main control goes to where? Main. And there हमने add function की add. It jumps to main थोड़ी, main से main में लिखा था हमने add. It jumps to the function definition. So I'm saying 23 is the first number. यहाँ पे हो रहा है enter the first number. I will tell you is it main or not. क्योंकि हमें debug काम नहीं कर रहा मुझे, वरना ये because I should have breakpoint here and then start debugging. But saying no, there's some issue with it. It's not debugging. Otherwise ये दिखाता सीधे. We can do here. We can print here first. We can print f \n. I am in main. I am in main. Now look here. The first control goes to here. The first this will be printed. First this will be printed. I am in main will be printed. Then add will be called and this function is called and control goes to this function and it does what it does here. right? So look first what happens. I'm in main is printed, right? I'm in main is where here ये print हो गया पहले, ठीक है, हो गया. Now I'm in main is printed, I'm in main. Now it's calling the add function, and add has taken control to here, the definition. Getting? And he's asking now enter the first number. And who is waiting? Who is letting us to wait? It's scanner. I'm saying something like 14 and enter. And it's not saying printf enter the second number. Okay? The second number, say for example 20. So I put it 20 because it's this scanner. Now if when I hit enter, it will add the 2 and print this thing. Right? And I say enter. Okay? It is adding, putting the sum, then saying the sum of इस परसेंटेज डी की जगह ये नम 1 प्रिंट होगा, जो नम 1 में क्या था 14, सो 14 इज प्रिंट देयर. एंड ऐसे ही आएगा ये एंड, ठीक है, ये दिख रहा है आपको ये माउस. अच्छा, इस परसेंटेज डी की जगह मैं कौन लिख रहा हूँ, नम 2, सो नम 2 इज 20, सो 20 विल प्रिंट देयर. इज इक्वल ऐसे इज इक्वल आ जाएगा. फिर इस परसेंटेज की जगह सम प्रिंट होगा, एंड सम में हमने क्या किया, इन दोनों को ऐड किया था, सो सम प्रिंट होगा, दैट इज 34. गेटिंग? श्योर एवरीबडी? Any questions? So the call was here.
ऐसे बोलते हैं function call, जो ऊपर program लिखा है उसको जान.
Function definition. This is function call.
अगर function definition में इनके नीचे लिखा हो तो
वो मैं अभी करूँगा, वही मैं बोलने चाह रहा था. This is function call and this is function definition. This is right. You are defining the function here, but you are calling it here. और कंपाइलर ने पहले ही फंक्शन देखी फिर कॉल देखी. ये इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो इसने बोला. कंपाइलर ने पाके ब्रो पामत, so पाके ब्रो से क्या यूँ पाके दन बात हो पाके दन ताऊ से साइड ये तो नहीं बता तो ना जरा ये आराम से ऊपरी मौका ताऊ से आखिर house. I am. Now what I am saying is, compiler ने पहले क्या देखा, ये देखा है ना. Even though control goes to main first, but it has seen this first, and then there was a call. But if we write, if I cut it, okay, I am writing first main. I'm writing first what? This is my main function, right? And I am writing function definition here. Okay, so the call is first, definition is next. Now compiler will complain. Compiler will say कि ये add क्या चीज़ है, because it has not seen its definition. So he will go here and will say what is this, ये क्या चीज़ है, right? इसलिए अगर आप function बाद में define करते हो, call पहले करते हो, you have to tell the compiler कि हमारे पास ऐसी function आने वाली है. You have to make him ready. And that is the function declaration, function or prototype. If function is defined after the call, you have to prepare the compiler about that function. Then what I do is I will copy this, okay, and put it somewhere before the call, anywhere before the call. You can put it here, you can put it here, and even you can put it above the main, wherever you like. But this should be before the function, and I will say here terminator, and this is function declaration or prototype, function prototype. This is important. If the call is first, definition is later, you have to prepare compiler that you are saying compiler, hey compiler, a function will come which has return void, which is passing nothing. Okay, so compiler is prepared with this function. So when you call it, it is already it's prepared for this call. Now it doesn't complain. Okay, it's running. Okay, whatever, it's running perfectly. So what we are seeing here, what we are saying, shabash, we are saying the function definition is before the function call, because function, I told you, function has many things. first the function has here, as you said, as we see here, what is in appearance is what you pass to this function. What is here is what you return from a function, data type only, but return is at the end, and what you write in a function is a function definition, and you can call it from anywhere. This is called call, function call. And if function definition is after the function call, then Amir, we have to also say function or prototype, and not necessarily you can write it here. It should be before the call, anywhere. I'll say cut before it should be before this add call. This is the function call. Call से पहले कहीं भी लिखो ही चलेगा, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. It's getting perfect. Anybody having any questions up to this? Anyone having any questions? Faizan, everybody clear? Getting? Now this is the next step. This was a function where we return nothing, we pass it nothing. Now we pass values to it. Now we pass values to the functions. It will catch it, and then next time will we pass, also we return. Okay. So here I do it what? I will pass some value. So I will do what? I am passing this thing. I will cut it. Okay. I will do it here. Okay. I'm declaring two num1, num2 and sum in the main. I don't need in fact sum here, right? I will say num1 and num2 only. I declare two variables, num1 and num2, and I'm saying the user enter the first number, enter the second number, drop it into the num1, drop it into the m2, right? Getting? No need to say now this, I'm in main. Then I call this add function. Then I call this what? And now I'm passing it two variables, num1 comma, I'm passing these two variables. Now I pass these to the add function. इससे पहले मैंने कुछ पास नहीं किया था. अब मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? मैं पास कर रहा हूँ. क्या पास कर रहा हूँ? num1 and num2 में पास कर रहा हूँ इस मेन फंक्शन को. मेन फंक्शन को या ऐड फंक्शन को? ऐड फंक्शन को. ऐड फंक्शन कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे है. लेकिन अब पंगा ये है कि num1 और num2 that need to be catched here. That means what? मैंने इसको भेजा, तो ये कैच करेंगे. तो मैं लिखूँगा int a comma int b, int a comma. Now this num1 and num2, these are actual variables. These are what? What I am passing, these actual variables. And this a and b are dummy variables. They're called what? These are the dummy variables. They're called dummy variables, or we call them as formal parameters. Parameters, T-E-R-S. Dummy variables or formal parameters, and this thing is actual parameters. These are the actual parameters. Okay, no, not this. Where the call? I have called here, right? But I have to send it. मैंने इसमें भेजा है. Sorry. This is the declaration. This is what? Call ये है ना? Call में भेजना है. जहाँ call करोगे वहाँ भेजोगे आप. जहाँ कॉल करोगे, ये जो है ये सिर्फ डिक्लेरेशन है. ये प्रिपरेशन के लिए है कि हमें ये फंक्शन आने वाली है ना. लेट मी राइट इट आउटसाइड. नॉट गेटिंग, यू आर नॉट गेटिंग, आई नो, डोंट वरी, कम बैक टू. क्या दलील? लिसन, now listen here. I'm saying void add, but this time around I'm passing two variables to it. So I'm catching it. So I pass it here. I add, call the function add, and remember when there is a call, there is no return time. Okay? Call the add function. Okay? And send it num1 and num2. These two guys, send it, and catch it into the A and B. Okay? This num1 is copied into the A, num2 is copied into the B. ठीक? हाँ, I want you good. So come on, खुश. It is like this. Listen. ये मेरी add function है यहाँ पे. कोई यहाँ देखिएगा? ये मेरी add function है. मैंने इसको num1 और num2 भेजा, ठीक है. I pass a num1 and this is where I define it. Void add int a int whatever is a num1 it is copied into this a, whatever is num2 it is copied into the, but these are actual variables, these are dummy variables, because when this function hits they will be killed. जब ये ब्रेस आएगी ये किल किया जाएगा, ठीक है. देयर विल बी नो मोर, दैट्स दे गॉट डमी. ये टेम्परेरीली कैश करते हैं num1 और num2 को. जब तक ये फंक्शन जिंदा है तब तक ये जिंदा है. ये ब्रेस हिट हो गई दे विल बी किल्ड, बिकॉज देयर आर ऑटोमेटिक वेरिएबल्स. आई टोल्ड यू ऑटोमेटिक वेरिएबल्स आर ओनली, देयर स्कोप इज ओनली अप टू व्हाट, अप टू द ब्लॉक. दिस इज द ब्लॉक, इसका ब्लॉक ये है, उससे बाहर नहीं. So these are temporary variables. These are called formal arguments also. These are called actual arguments. ये कॉल है, ठीक है ना, ये कॉल है, ये डेफिनेशन है. डेफिनेशन को पूरा लिखना पड़ता है. void क्या रिटर्न हो रहा है, क्या पास हो रहा है, और कॉल में हम लिखते हैं क्या पास कर रहे हैं. इसका डेटा टाइप लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. यहाँ पे a जो है इसका डेटा टाइप लिखना है. ये कौन सा है, इंटीजर वेरिएबल है, कैरेक्टर है, फ्लोट है, क्या है, लिखना पड़ेगा, ठीक है. यहाँ पे कॉल के वक्त लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can set it only, and okay, this will not be clear by today. I know we have to do 2-4 examples, maybe more examples on it, so that this will be all clear. But unless you don't sit at home and start doing on a computer, this is all nonsense. Then this is, you are watching a movie like that. So getting me? So what I'm saying, I am saying that now I am passing num1 and num2, and that's passed with the a and b. Now I will say sum is equal, what should I say sum is equal to? Int a plus b. But the question is, what is sum? What is sum? What is sum first? It is a variable. Have I declared it somewhere? I should first say int sum. I should declare it somewhere, define it somewhere. हाँ, नो नो नो, मेन में क्या करना मेरे को, इसको मेन में नको जी. मेन में कुछ चाहिए मुझे? आई डोंट नीड इन द मेन. शुड आई नीड इन द मेन? इन द मेन आई नीड num1 and num2 only. I'm getting two numbers, passing these two numbers to the add function, and add function is catching it into the a and now it is doing sum is equal to a plus b. But I do not return anything. I could have returned also this sum, but I'm not returning anything. So I have to print this sum in the, where, in the add function. I'm printing this, but I don't know here percentage d. Should I know? I know this I know this number num2 here. Yes, I know, but I know them by a different name called, because I passed that number into the a, num2 into the b. So I know num1 is a, num2 is b, and sum is this. It is same thing, but शेम मीन्स, क्योंकि प्रोटोटाइप जो हमारा इसका है, ठीक है, उसको बताना पड़ेगा ना कि दो अब पास कुछ कर रहे हैं नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो मैं कह रहा हूँ वाइड ऐड, ठीक है, अब पास भी कर रहे हैं ना, कुछ फंक्शन को पास कर रहे हैं ना. सो यू आर पासिंग व्हाट, int num1 int b. What is there? We have to write this int a int b. Now prototype b ठीक अभी करेगा, enter the first number, ठीक है. So it is saying this in the main, enter the first, we're getting the first number, that is 12, and the second number is in the main saying enter the second number, right, that is say 34. Now it has gone to the, after this there is a call add num1 num2. It has jumped to where, this function. From this it has jumped to the add, because call is there to the add. It has jumped here, right, and passed num1 to the a, num2 to the b, right. Then declare the sum variable and adding the two, putting the sum and printing, and that's printing here. The sum of the 12 and 34 is 46. Okay, so what we said, we are sending the values. Even prototype should be same as what you write here, but what is why we write prototype? Yes, आकिब प्रोटोटाइप क्यों लिख रहे भाई?
सर कंपाउंड को बदल पड़ता है ना।
हाँ, क्योंकि कब लिखेंगे प्रोटोटाइप? जब फंक्शन डेफिनेशन बाद में है, फंक्शन कॉल पहले है। ठीक है, तो हम क्यों लिखेंगे प्रोटोटाइप?
कंपाउंड कॉल करना पड़ता है ना।
हाँ, क्योंकि कंपाइलर बताना पड़ता है कि बल्कि ये फंक्शन आने वाली है। उसमें ये ज़रूरी, दिस इज ऑप्शनल। आप ये ए लिखोगे ना, आप उसको खाली बोलो इंट इट, वो भी चलेगा। प्रोटोटाइप को बोलो खाली इंट इट, क्योंकि इस वक्त हम इंटरेस्टेड हैं कि जो मेरी फंक्शन है, जो मेरी इस वक्त इंटरेस्ट है, जो मेरी मुझे ये बताना सिर्फ है कि भैया एक फंक्शन आने वाली है जिसका नाम ऐड होएगा और रिटर्न कुछ नहीं होएगा और पास 2 इंटीजर वेरिएबल्स होंगे। वो ए बी शे बी लिखने की ज़रूरत, ये वो ऑप्शनल है प्रोटोटाइप में। If I run it, still run. Getting? Sure? I don't think you're getting anything. Huh? Not getting. Now let us discuss the problem. Then, before going further, it is nonsense if we don't understand this. So I will say F10.